Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're sharing some fantastic home remedies that will help you achieve that radiant, glowing skin you've always wanted. Let's dive into 10 simple and effective ways to enhance your natural glow at home. Glowing skin is a reflection of overall health. It boosts confidence and makes you feel vibrant. But with environmental stressors and our busy lives, it can be challenging to maintain. Luckily, you can achieve that glow with some easy home remedies. Remedy number 1, hydration. First, let's talk about hydration. Drinking enough water is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and radiance. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day, and add fruits like watermelon and cucumber for extra hydration. Remedy number 2, lemon and honey mask. Next up, we have a lemon and honey mask. Lemon brightens the skin, while honey moisturizes. Mix 1 tablespoon of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of honey, apply it to your face for 15 minutes, and rinse off with warm water for a refreshing glow. Remedy number 3, oatmeal scrub. Exfoliation is key. An oatmeal scrub helps remove dead skin cells. Simply mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with yogurt to create a paste. Gently massage it onto your skin for 5 minutes, then rinse for smoother, brighter skin. Remedy number 4, aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is a fantastic natural moisturizer. It soothes the skin and enhances its glow. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to your face before bed, and wash it off in the morning for hydrated, glowing skin. Remedy number 5, turmeric and yogurt mask. Next is the turmeric and yogurt mask. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties, while yogurt provides moisture. Combine 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of yogurt, apply for 20 minutes, then rinse off for a brighter complexion. Remedy number 6, coconut oil moisturizer. Coconut oil is a great natural moisturizer. It hydrates and gives your skin a healthy glow. Use it as a nighttime moisturizer to lock in hydration and wake up with soft, radiant skin. Remedy number 7, green tea toner. Green tea is packed with antioxidants. Brew a cup, let it cool, and use it as a toner. Spray it on your face after cleansing for a refreshing boost that brightens and soothes your skin. Remedy number 8, papaya mask. Papaya is rich in enzymes that exfoliate and brighten the skin. Mash half a ripe papaya, apply it to your face for 20 minutes, and rinse off for a naturally glowing complexion. Remedy number 9, essential oils. Essential oils like lavender or tea tree can help improve skin texture. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and massage onto your skin to promote a healthy glow. Always do a patch test first. Remedy number 10, healthy diet. Last but not least, a balanced diet is crucial for glowing skin. Include plenty of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and healthy fats in your meals. Foods rich in antioxidants, like berries and leafy greens, can make a significant difference. These 10 remedies are simple yet effective ways to achieve glowing skin at home. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these tips into your daily routine for the best results. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. What's your favorite home remedy for glowing skin? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Here's to your radiant skin journey. Glow on!